is the business innovation of Chloe's Brick Oven? Alright, so positive day delivers. This is Dr. Gigi Sunga from I Can Change Project. Magandang Saturday afternoon sa lahat ng delivers natin. And if first time po tayo magpanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click na po yan, Doc Gigi Sunga. Alright, so this afternoon, nandito tayo sa Abukay, Bataan. At kasama natin Sir Scott. Hi, sir.
Hello, how are you doing? Nice to meet you. My name is Scott, and welcome to Chloe's Brick Oven. I hope you enjoy the tour.
What is the business innovation of Chloe's Brick Oven?
Something that makes our place a little bit unique is that we have really traditional, authentic pizza from a brick oven. We use wood-fired pizza.
Ah, right.
Something that you might find in Italy
Yes, yes.
or
So
New
let's
York.
find out later. So it originated from other countries.
Yeah, so this is how they used to do it back in Italy many years ago.
In Italy, yeah. So aside from pizza, so you have pasta and chicken meals. So it's very affordable, sir. So do you have promo? It's just a promo now.
The promos just depend on what's happening because our menu changes every month a little bit. So depending on if we want to try something new, we'll come out with something and it'll be on a promo. Just follow our Facebook or Instagram and we'll show what's featuring that month.
Hi sir, so we're still on Chloe's Brick Oven. So sir, what is the concept of the restaurant?
Well, this restaurant is mostly about authentic pizza, really
Okay.
traditional pizza.
So it's pizza.
Pizza
Right.
mainly, but we also do pasta, some rice meals, a
Alright.
few Filipino dishes, but mainly authentic pizza.
Yeah, so we tried their pizza today. Okay, sir, what are your best seller?
Here, people like all kinds of different things, but if it's whether it's a supreme, maybe we have a chicken alfredo, chicken pesto, pulled pork, and we can even do half and half, two different styles. So if one family likes pepperoni, the other one likes Hawaiian, you do white sauce, red sauce. So that's really kind of nice. You can have more variety if you want.
So, sir, why Chloe?
Chloe is my niece.
Ah,
Who's very close to us, so we named it after her.
Okay, so sir, this supper, what do we have this afternoon?
Okay, so what we have here is we have what we call a Fat Boy Special, which is they need two flavors of pizza. So here we have Hawaiian and pepperoni.
Alright, so that's my favorite, Hawaiian.
Okay, good. So I'm glad we got that for you. Then we have one of our favorites that people like a lot is the barbecue pork ribs. That's a special sauce. So all the sauces, the ingredients, and everything is made all from here. It's all special. So the chef, she makes all the sauces. And then what we have here is a dessert. This is a French dessert actually, a beignet.
Beignet, yes.
Yeah, so it's just a fluffy, lightly sweetened, like doughy, crispy dessert. So it's quite delicious.
Then you have
And
these.
This is my steam.
Nice. Nice. Let's go.
Okay, so try it out.
Let's try it.
Try it out and see.
There you go. Alright, so crispier and It's different days because of the it's like what's this again?
This is a beignet.
So it's parang flappy. Para si Ma'am Mags, you're not, but you're just flappy. Wow, tender.
Yeah, so the ribs are very tender.
Sir, please invite them to come here and experience the difference.
Yes, please come, try it out. If you want something authentic and real, something of a foreign flavor, more Italian or American, like New York City pizza, then this is a place to go. It's really traditional style, and the food is all original flavors, sauces, and everything. So please come on by.
So you're open every day from what time, sir?
No, actually, we're only open 4 days a week.
Ah, okay, 4
So
days a week.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday,
Alright.
from 4 to 10 p.m. only.
Ah, okay.
So it's only
Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, 4 to 10 p.m.
p.m. only.
Alright, so thank you very much, Delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day and
Let's go.